Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 2. Question subject name is analog circuit, topic name is operation amplifier. It's a 1 marks problem. So friends, we can see that in this problem we have a 2 op-amp connected in cascade. So 2 op-amps are connected in cascade, and in the input of the first op-amp we have 1 microampere current is coming. In the output of the first op-amp, let's name this node as a node A. Okay, and let's name this node as a node B, in which input is coming, and this is as a node C. So from the virtual ground property I can say that my op-amp satisfies the virtual ground property. So my VB is equal to VC from the property of virtual ground, right? And what is my VC? VC is grounded, so my VC is 0, so my VB will also be 0. Because of the virtual ground property, we know that my inverting terminal voltage will be equal to the non-inverting terminal voltage, right? Fine. Now I know that my op-amps are ideal, because by default we always assume that op-amps are ideal. So my input current of the op-amp 1 is going to 0. Input current of the op-amp 1 is going to be 0. So my entire 1 microampere current is going to flow across 1K, because no current is going to flow across op-amp. No current is going to enter to the op-amp, so I have a total current of 1 microampere, so only path left is 1 kilo ohm. So my entire 1 microampere current will going to flow across 1K, will be going to flow in the polarity plus and minus. So let's apply the Ohm's law across 1 kilo ohm. So you will have VB minus VA is equal to 1K into 1 kilo ohm, 1 microampere resistance into current. And my VB is what? VB is 0, because of virtual ground we know that VB is 0. So I have got my VA is equal to minus 10 raised to the power minus 3 volt, or I can say that minus 1 millivolt, right? My VA is equal to minus 1 millivolt. So my VA is minus 1 millivolt, we have calculated. Now, but what is my question in the problem? I need to calculate V0. I am interested in the voltage across my second op-amp. So let's see the second op-amp very carefully. You will find that second op-amp is nothing but a non-inverting amplifier. And what is the output relation for the non-inverting amplifier? The relation for the non-inverting amplifier is that my output of the non-inverting amplifier is related to the input as 1 plus RF upon Rin times input, right? What is the input for this non-inverting amplifier? In this amplifier the input is VA. So in my case my input is VA. What is the feedback resistor? Feedback resistor is a resistor which connects the output terminal to the input terminal. So what is the feedback resistor? In our case feedback resistor is 90K. So our feedback resistor is 90K. What is the input resistor? Input resistor is a resistor of the inverting terminal, resistor which connects the inverting terminal to the ground. So in this case the 10K is a resistor which connects the inverting terminal to the ground. So my input resistor will be 10K. So let's find out my V0. V0 will be equal to 10 times VA. VA we know that minus 1 millivolt. So my V0 will be nothing but minus 10 millivolt. Right? So question says that give me the value of the V0 in 10 millivolts. It will be minus 10. So our output will be minus 10. Thank you.